Today I am going to teach you small letter V. In previous video we did small letter U for umbrella. Now today I am going to teach you how to write small letter V. We have to write small letter V in which line? In these two blue lines only. How to write small letter V? Just see here. First we have to make one slanting line from blue line to blue line like this. Then we have to make another slanting line like this. This is called small letter V. Again, see here. First we have to make one slanting line, blue line to blue line like this. Then we have to make second slanting line like this, blue line to blue line. That is called small letter V. Again, blue line to blue line, slanting line. Then second one slanting line like this. It is easy to write small letter V. Okay, you just see how to write blue line to blue line, first slanting line, and then second slanting line like this. Again we have to see blue line to blue line, small letter V. This is called small letter V. Blue line to blue line. Okay. First you have to make one slanting line like this, and then you have to join and make another slanting line like this. See here. Which letter is this? This is small letter V. V for vase, V for van, and V for violin. Again, V for vase, V for van, and V for violin. Okay? It is easy to write small letter V. You have to make two slanting line only. So you have to do practice of small letter V at your home. Now we will do one activity related to alphabets. Now we will do one activity, and that is separate capital and small letters. Okay? We have to separate capital and small letter. Which picture is this? This is a picture of an apple. And what I wrote over here? Alphabets. I wrote mixed alphabets, capital and small. Now what we have to do? We have to separate. Here I wrote capital letters. So we have to find out capital letters and write here. And here we have to write small letter. We have to find small letter from this apple, and we have to write small letter over here. Okay, let's start. See here. First letter. Which letter is this? This is capital A. Where we have to write? Here. Okay. So here we have to write capital A. Okay. Now next letter. Which letter is this? This is small B. Where we have to write here? No. That side. So we have to write small B. Now, which letter is this? This is small letter E. So where we have to write small letter E? That side. So we have to write here small letter E. Now, which letter is this? This is small letter G. So we have to write here only small letter G. Now, which letter is this? This is small letter A. So we have to write here small letter A. Now, which letter is this? Small letter D? Yes, right. So where we have to write? This side. So we have to write here small letter D. Now, which letter is this? Capital? Yes. But which letter is this? This is capital B. So where we have to write capital letters? That side. So here we we have to write capital B. B for balloon. Now which letter is this? This is capital E. Where we have to write capital E? Yes, this side. So we have to write capital E. Okay? E for elephant. Now which letter is this? F. But which F? Capital F or small f? Yes, it is small f. Where we have to write? That side. So we have to write small f here. Now, which letter is this? This is capital H. So where we have to write? Here. In this activity, you have to first identify which letter is this. And it is capital or small. Okay? Now, which letter is this? This is capital T. So where we have to write? Here. First we have to make standing line and then curve like this. This is called small letter D. Now, which letter is this? This is small I. So where we have to write? Here. Small letter I. Now, which letter is this? This is capital J. So where we have to write capital J? Yes. Here we have to write capital J. Now which letter is this? This is capital K. So where we have to write capital K? Yes. Here we have to write capital K. K for king. Which letter is this? This is letter L. L for lollipop. Yummy yummy lollipop. So where we have to write? This is capital or small? This is capital L. So we have to write capital L here. Now, which letter is this? This is small letter L. So where we have to write small letter L? Here. So we have to make one standing line. This is called small letter L. Now, which letter is this? This is capital I. So where we have to write I? Yes. Here we have to write I. Capital I. I for igloo. Now which letter is this? This is small m. So we have to write small m here. Now, which letter is this? This is capital R. So where we have to write capital R? Yes, here we have to write capital R. Now, which letter is this? This is small J. J for joker. So where we have to write? Here we have to write small J. Now, which letter is this after J? This is a small letter and this is a small letter R. So where we have to write R? Yes, here. Below the heading of small letters, we have to write small letter R. Now, which letter is this? This is capital S. So where we have to write capital letters? Here. So here we have to write S. Now, which letter is this? This is capital T. So where we have to write capital T? Here, T for top. T for top, T for tiger. Now, which letter is this? Small u? Yes, this is small u. So where we have to write small letter u? Here. Now, after u, which letter is this? Yes, this is small letter V. Where we have to write V? Here. Yes. Now, which letter is this? This is small letter T. Where we have to write T? Yes, here we have to write T because it is a small letter. Now which letter is this? This is F and this is capital F. So where we have to write capital F? Yes, here we have to write capital F. Now which letter is this? This is capital V. So we have to write capital V here. Now last one. Which letter is this? This is small letter Q. So where we have to write? Here we have to write small letter Q. Now you can see that from this apple we separate capital letters and small letters. Okay. With the help of this activity, you can come to know recognitions of capital letters and small letters. I hope you understand this activity. How to do this activity? You have to do practice of this activity at your home, and you have to do practice of small letter V also.